Hello, I'm Linda Stein Gold. I'm from Henry Ford Health System in Detroit, Michigan, and I'm here at Maui Derm. I was really excited to present a poster on Icotrokinra. I talked about the iconic LEAD trial, and we had a readout over 52 weeks. What's interesting here is I discussed a portion of that study where we looked at either continuing on the medication or withdrawing from the medication and looked to see how well those patients did over time. And what we found was those patients who continued on drug over the course of 52 weeks continued to maintain that very high efficacy. Those patients who went off drug, they lost efficacy, but fairly slowly. Between 2 to 3 months, they lost either their EASI 90 or their EASI 75. And what's really exciting is we looked at the adolescent data. That data was quite interesting in that the adolescents did so well. They got very high levels of efficacy, and it happened fast. When you look at the curves, they're very steep. We have a rapid onset of action, and they maintain that efficacy really nicely over the course of the 52 weeks, really at a level equivalent to a biologic drug. When we look at the side effect profile, there's nothing new there. No safety signals were identified. The drug's well tolerated. So it's an exciting time in the oral therapy landscape for our patients with moderate to severe psoriasis.